Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to send your first transfer using the Remitbee Online Money Transfer app. First off, open the Remitbee app and log into your account. To get started, tap on the Send button on the bottom of the menu screen. Now select the country you want to send money to. In this case, I will pick Sri Lanka. Afterwards, we'll select the speed of our transfer. Next, we'll specify how much money we would want to transfer over. I'll send over just $50 in this example. We need to choose how our recipient would like to receive our transfer. I want my money to be directly deposited to my recipient's bank account. Select the purpose of your transfer from the drop-down menu. I'll choose Family Expenses. Since we haven't added a recipient to send money to, we'll have to add one. To do so, add in your recipient's details, first and last name, as well as phone number. Email is optional, but I'll put it down here just in case. Add in our recipient's bank details, including their bank, branch name, and their account number. Please note that information required to give may vary depending on the country you are sending the money to. Since we're sending money for the first time, we'll need to enter our own personal information as well. You only need to complete this step once while setting up your account. We will ask you to provide your first and last name, date of birth, along with our industry and occupation. In this case, I'll select acrobats as an example. Once we finish that, we'll need to add in our residential address. After we have added our residential address, we'll select our Canadian bank that we have an account with and select a payment method afterwards. I'll select e-transfer. Note that some banks have different payment options available as well. Once you have selected your payment option, you can now review your transfer details and confirm your transfer. And we're done. Our transfer was successfully initiated. Now all we need to do is to complete verification level 2. This needs to be completed once during initial setup. For more information on completing your verification level, visit the link in the description below.